I'm working in partnership with the University of South Wales, and this is an opportunity for us to connect, both as an educational provider and as a police service. And we're working together and looking at our ways to maximise how we can work jointly to improve the experience for students. So this is my first visit to the University of South Wales, and I've just visited the Hydra Suite, which is a fantastic facility, and I've witnessed firsthand some of the learning that they've been experiencing, some real-life scenarios which will really benefit their programme. The benefit of it being a recognised formal qualification now combines both a person's personal characteristics and also their academic abilities to deliver what is the best police officer that they can be on the ground. The police service is for everyone, and we need to mirror the community that we serve. Anyone that's considering joining shouldn't have barriers in their way, and they should understand that there's a number of different learning programmes that support their individual needs, and they'll be welcomed by the police service with their individual characteristics and their skill sets. And for example, part-time hours shouldn't be a limiting factor to somebody considering joining. We're a flexible employer, and we're a supportive employer, and we're a can-do employer. We're disability confident, and I would really encourage people to consider applying to become a police officer once they've considered their training programme.